Oh yes, it's time to get smarter. Time to learn some math. After you've watched this tutorial, you will feel amazing and upbeat like this music. But classic, absolute classic. Here we go. The Ottoman question. Not too many people did well on this one, and by not too many, I mean none in the whole 6 periods. None. So before you start thinking you're no good at math, stop. This is a tricky question. That's why I'm making a tutorial. If we went over it too fast in class today, follow along. This is a video, so you can pause as you choose. So here we go. First of all, we need to figure out the total surface area of this ottoman. So total surface area. So total surface area. The ottoman is a cylinder, and the formula for a cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Remember, this is the lateral surface, and this is the area of the top and bottom, the bases. Now, because this says not including the bottom, we need to make sure we don't do 2 pi r squared, because we don't want the pi r squared at the top and the bottom. We just want one of them. So we're going to get rid of that too, which just leaves us 1 pi r squared. From here, we just throw in the numbers. Substitution. So 2 is 2, pi is pi. The radius of the whole ottoman is 16 inches. I'll save all the units until the end. The height, the entire height, 8 plus 6 makes 14. Plus pi times the radius squared, 16 squared. So far, so good. Let's multiply this out. So 2 times 16 times 14 gives us 448, and I will just leave it in terms of pi. If you don't like that, just go ahead and multiply by 3.14 here. Compare your result in the end to my results, and you will come to the same conclusion. 16 squared, 256 pi, for a total surface area of the ottoman, which would be 448 plus 256. That makes 704 pi. So now that we know the whole surface area, we can focus on the green. So let's change color. We can focus on the green because they want to know what part of the whole surface area is green. So now we want the green surface area. Well, the green section right here, that's only the lateral surface, so we don't want the whole formula. We only want the lateral part right there. 2 pi r h. Start substituting your numbers. 2 is 2, pi is pi. The radius is 16. And the height of the green section and the green section only, very important, that's 8. We don't want 14 because 14 is the height of the entire ottoman. So if we do 16 times 8 times 2, we get 256 pi. So now that we know the green is this big and the total is this big, we've got the part, got the whole. So once we have the part and the whole, part divided by whole. So 256 pi out of 704 pi. Once again, if you don't like that, just multiply by 3.14 here and here. It'll still work out. You get 0.363636. So you get the point. It is repeating, but it said round answer to nearest 1/10 of a percent. 1/10 of a percent. So first of all, we need to convert this decimal to a percent. So move the decimal over 2 places to the right, which is the same as multiplying by 100. So 36 point, this is the tenths place. What is the 6 going to do to the 3? It is going to change it to a 4. So that's why the final answer is approximately 36.4%. And now we can continue. Hope you have a good weekend.